we continue our topic agriculture practices. Agriculture practices is the activity or the task required to perform for the cultivation of crops is known as agriculture practices. So agriculture practices are the work that we perform or the activity that we perform for the cultivation of crop is known as agricultural practices, and it involves 7 steps. First one is preparation of soil, sowing of seed, adding manure and fertilizers. Then fourth one is irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting, storage. First we discuss preparation of soil. The preparation of soil is the first step for this. The soil is need to turn and loosen in order to allow the roots to penetrate deep inside into the soil. The loose soil allow the roots to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. First, the loose soil help the roots to breathe easily, and then second, why we need preparation of the soil. They by turning and loosening of the soil, the nutrients comes on the top of the soil and they are easily absorbed by the soil and the plants. So the process of loosening or turning of soil is called plowing. What is plowing? The process of loosening or turning of soil is called plowing. And we use for that plow, hoe and cultivator. What are plow, hoe and cultivator? These are the agriculture implements, and agriculture implements are the tools that are required for the preparation of the soil. What are the agricultural implements? These are the tools that are required for the preparation of soil. See the picture of plow, this one, and then next one is a hoe. Hoe is used for removing weeds and loosening the soil. What is weeds? Weeds are unwanted plants that are grown with the main crop. Then next one is laborer and cultivator, that are also agriculture implement that are used in the preparation of soil. Then second activity is sowing. What is sowing? When when the preparation of the soil is done, then good quality of seeds are sown in the soil to get high quality of crops. It is done with the help of hands directly. When we sow seeds directly by hand is called broadcasting. What is broadcasting? Sowing of seeds directly by hand is called broadcasting. Traditionally tool for that is funnel shape, but now these days we can use for sowing is seed drill. We use the seed drill. If we sow the seeds at a one place, what will happen? Is it good for the plants or not? No, it is not good for the plants. For that, we should sow the seeds uniformly at proper distance and depth and avoid overcrowding of the plants. Why we should sow the seeds uniformly at a proper distance and a depth? Why? So that the plants get sufficient space, sunlight and water. Okay. Now next is transplantation. What is transplantation? When the plants are not directly grown in the field, then first these plants are grown in nursery, and when they are small plants, then these plants are transformed from nursery to the main field. That is known as transplantation. So what is transplantation? It is a method in which the plants first grow in nursery. When these plants grow here, then they are transferred in the field by the farmer, is known as transplantation. First activity is preparation of soil, and then second activity is sowing of seeds. First activity, preparation of soil, is done with the help of agriculture implements like plow, hoe and cultivators. And then sowing is done with manually, that is known as broadcasting, and with the help of machine called seed drill. And then we discuss the topic transplantation. Transplantation is the process in which plants are not directly grown in the field. First they grown in nursery and then they are transferred in the field by the farmer. Then we come on our third activity, adding manure and fertilizers. Why should we add manure and fertilizers? Manures and fertilizers are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants. Because the nutrients present in the soils are not sufficient for the growth of plant, so we should add manures and fertilizer in the soil. Sometimes farmer grow crop after a crop in the same field. The field is never